Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send the fax messages from your Samsung Galaxy A03. So in the first step we have to open the Play Store, then look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the Easy Fax. Decide that you want to get notification, I don't need to, and now add the permissions to camera and to the files is necessary. Okay, now to choose the document, click on the plus and select the source of it. I'm gonna pick something from a gallery, like this one. You can of course select more than one picture. If you're ready, click import. Now choose, add use a shape to your document. If you're ready, click arrow and choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for your receiver. Now you can add a signature, text and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept icon, type the number here, choose the country from the list, give a small note optional, and you can also add more documents maybe from the other source by clicking this plus. If you want to send the documents from this list, just click on this button, buy or get free your credits, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.